Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. Let's do a movement snack. Got my chest builder here. It doesn't take the place of a bulwarker, but it's a handy device to have. And it's a great one, just to, throws in your car real easy, or you can have it at your office or wherever you might be having the time to do a movement snack a few times a day. So let's start it down low, press it in. And as I'm pressing it in, I'm also lifting up. I find this gets the pectoralis major, both the clavicular and the sternal connections, very well, and also you get a little bit of the pectoralis minor. So let me show you that from the side. All right, now also from the side, let me just show you, if you want to put it farther out in front of you and up a little bit higher, that also is a good way of doing it. So you can see that I'm just keeping it basically the same height. You can also do it up overhead. Nice thing about this is that if, let's say you go to do it overhead, and that's a little bit harder to do it overhead, and you can't quite achieve your outcome, you can just turn this and it'll take it down some. Or if you want more, you just turn it the opposite direction, it'll make it harder. This is a pretty good device for around 50 bucks because it's strong enough where when I put it on its maximum, I can't even close it all the way yet. So it's a good handy one to have on hand, and it can be, because it's quickly adjustable, you can use it for several different people in your family. All right, so another way of doing it is just holding it this way. So instead of here, just put it here and press in. Whole different game. You can bring it up higher and do it like that. And what I like to do is use this in a lot of different angles and directions, because each one impacts my body a little differently. Now, this doesn't take the place of my bulwarker. Bulwarker, I can do a lot more types of exercises with it. I can involve the legs, I can get the whole body with the bulwarker, I can do it isometrically, I can do it isotonically. This is primarily just for isotonics. But it's a nice little device, and if you got the extra cash and you feel like tossing a little bit around in favor of your healthy well-being, then this could be a good one for you. I'll put the URL down below so you can check it out. It's on Amazon.